what we also need to take cognizance of is that is the amount of control that the ISI and Pakistan army has over the Taliban, right? Because it's said in popular knowledge that 3 out of the 6 factions are somehow under the Pakistani influence. And of course, they're trying to actively control the entire network with the help of the Haqqanis. So, do you see any changes in this, as ever since the Taliban took over?
I have a different idea about this, Sharan, and my idea is that it's not that black and white.
Okay.
Loyalties in Afghanistan are, sold and purchased all the time.
Right.
It's a tribal network. It's a highly tribal society that owes allegiance to the family and the tribe and the sub-tribe. This concept of an Afghan nation, as we understand it in modern terms of a nation state, is not there. Even then we speak about Pashtun subnationalism, that's a different concept.
Right.
Now the thing is that, you see, whether it is the Haqqanis on one side, the Mahsuds on another side, and this being under Pakistani control, everybody needs money. And now people have realized, earlier they thought that while Pakistan does not have money, they can get money from China. They can get money. Pakistan has been blackmailing the world. Now they realize after 15th of August that neither can Pakistan get money, nor can Pakistan give money. Yeah. Pakistan oversold. They did the same thing that you are saying. Pakistan exactly did the same thing that you're asking. They sold this control over the Taliban to the Chinese.
Right.
And they said, ki janab, aap yahan se bhi CPAC le aao. You get the CPAC through Afghanistan into Iran, or you get the CPAC from here, and all that. Ideally it would have come through the Wakhan corridor. It's lower than the Karakoram. Karakorams are very high. The Wakhan corridor is much lower and much more sensible and much more strategically important also. So all these things Pakistan was trying to do. In the end, as it stands today, after August, right? More than 3 months have passed. This is the 4th month. The thing is that Pakistan has been unable to get money or recognition for the Afghan Taliban, and the people who are loyal, these are mercenaries essentially. Let me be very honest. Right. These are mercenaries. They owe loyalty for a certain period of time. Many people say that, oh, this leader of that terror outfit, he was raised in Pakistan. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter who was raised where. In the end, everybody has, you see, there is something in the Quranic, this thing called Mal-e Ghanimat. Mal-e Ghanimat is essentially spoils of war.
Right.
So what are the spoils of war? They go to the State Bank of Afghanistan. They ask the head of the bank for money. And all the poor guy has is something like $18,000-$20,000. Yeah. And they thought that there were millions upon billions upon those dollars in the safe. And he says, no, today everything is wire transfer, we don't have any cash. Aapko $18,000-$20,000 chahiye, aap le jao. They threatened, they beat up the staff. They said, boss, you can kill us, but there is no money. And that money is still in this thing held up somewhere. So you see this entire thing about, Pakistan controlling Afghan Taliban. Yes, that part is true, but it is not that kind of hold that we think it is. Right. It is a tenuous hold. It is coming apart slowly and slowly as weeks pass, as hunger grows, as dissatisfaction grows, as the people who fought. So there are 2 kinds of Taliban. I am sorry. I would like to apologize to, Dr. Shalini ma'am, taking up too much of your time. Just like to underscore a certain point. एक छोटा सा point बता दो. ये 2 Taliban हैं. ठीक है? There are 2 Talibans. One Taliban is the one who fought for 20 years against the US-led forces and the Americans. And the other Taliban were the ones who were in Doha drinking orange juice in 5-star hotels. Okay. So there is the orange juice Taliban and there is the fighting Taliban. And the orange juice Taliban already made their money. They've already seen the world. Now the fighting Taliban says, where is the Mal-e Ghanimat? Where are the spoils of war?
Right.
Where is the silver?
Right.
So you had a lot of weapons, you had caches of Black Hawk helicopters, etc. That is all fine. But where are the dollars? There are no dollars.
Right.
So that is the problem.
Please remember to subscribe to us and switch on the notifications for this channel. For our other social media links, more content, and to support our work, please visit citti.net. Dhanyavad. Namaskar.